Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So the first thing we need to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon or 3 bars icon. And if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. After releasing, here we've got the recents. And if you want to, you can close them one by one manually just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened, simply tap on this trash bin icon. Now, after getting back, you can see that we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.